Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Wandalee. As you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing, a review, and a how to assemble the LazyDaze Brazilian poly cotton hammock combo. LazyDaze did reach out to me. They did give me this hammock for free, but it was the same exact hammock that I saw at my friend's house. So of course I jumped on the opportunity and I was super excited to be able to do a review and unboxing for all of you guys. So one of the great features about this hammock is that it is double size, so you can share it with your loved ones, and the height of the actual frame is adjustable. So if you are vertically challenged or you have little ones, no need to worry, you can adjust the frame according to your needs. Before I get into the unboxing, here's what comes in the box. Here's what comes in the combo if you choose to purchase a combo. So you get the hammock itself, which is a really durable, soft cotton hammock. You get the steel frame. You also get a carrying bag so that you can easily take it with you if you're going camping or hiking. And it also comes with a pillow. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. As you can see, it comes with in a long, slender box. Okay, so we have the assembly instructions, which is fairly simple. There's about 6 steps and then 7, and there's 6 steps and then 2 warnings. Super easy. So here are the assembly directions. As you can see, nice and simple. If you're used to IKEA directions, then this is like kindergarten directions to you. Super easy, very simple, 1 page, and I'm gonna do it for you. So it comes with the hooks. Then you have the cute little elongated pillow, and it has that kind of weatherproofing cover on it. If you don't want it beige, you can always get a pillowcase for it. We have the hammock itself. It's a really nice, sturdy cotton fabric. And then these are the ropes. And it has steel reinforced attachments so that it's comfortable, but it's also safe. And it's not rough. It's a sturdy cotton, but it's definitely comfortable enough for you to lay on it. It's not going to feel like itchy or scratchy like a lot of hammocks out there. And last but not least, we have a carrying bag. Nice sturdy canvas bag with a zipper and a handle. I'm gonna zoom out so you can see. So right over here, you have your canvas carrying bag, just in case you're going camping or you wanna travel and take it with you. Then you have your actual hammock, the pillow. You should have 2 pieces of the hook, washer, and nut. 5 bolts. You can twist these on. This one right here is one crossbar. You have 2 of the hammock frame bars. It's the one with the little things at the top. So you have 2 of those. Then you have 2 of the bases. And this is a base. They are slightly curved. And that is all you need. So now that we have all of our pieces, we are going to get started, and I'm going to assemble it on my deck. So I packed it all up. This is all the pieces right here. I purposely put all the parts in here just so you can see that it does all fit in the bag, and you can carry it yourself if you're camping alone or you don't have anyone to help you. So everything's in the bag, all the parts. You can put it right over your shoulder. It is doable for 1 person to carry. Okay. And of course, you can take it camping. You can take it to a friend's house, take it on vacation. It's a very nice, sturdy bag. All right, so now let's put it all together. Before you connect the crossbar to the bases have this rubber attachments. Just kind of twist those off like that. There we go. Now I'm going to insert the first one, first end right in there until you can no longer see the black part. And then you're going to twist it until you can see the hole. And then we're just going to take the little screw, the bolt, and go ahead and screw that right in. Push it right in. And there you go. You can turn it slightly until the little hole lines up. You need to hold it in place with your other hand because it almost seems like it's not going to fit, but it actually does. So if you just kind of hold it in place and twist, eventually it's going to start going in.
I actually made a little mistake and I forgot to show you guys this. Before moving on, make sure to screw in the third bolt in the center of your crossbar as seen in the directions here.
All right, step 2. Step 3, connect the hammock frame bar with the bases, screw the bolts tightly into place. All right, let's do that. All right, so this is the hammock frame bar. It's the one that has the 2 little ends. Right, so the easiest way to do this is going to be to take, once you've screwed these in nice and tight, you're going to go ahead and flip it around like so. Now I'm ready to attach the hammock frame bar. So you're going to take the hammock frame bar, not this end. You want to take the end that has the large hole in it, and you're going to insert it. Move this over. We're going to insert it right here, just like that. Now what you want is on this bottom end right here, you want the hole to line up as well. So I'm just going to twist it a little bit. You can see if you twist it, it lines up easily. All right. So now that it's lined up, I'm going to go ahead and screw this in. Nice and tight. There we go. All right, so I finished building the base. The widest part of the base from one end to the other, which is where the hammock hangs, is 110 inches long. So you do need a nice little space to put this in. And now we're going to go ahead and we are going to do the best part, is we're going to attach the hammock. So now you have the hook and then you have the washer and the bolt as well. The highest, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 adjustments that you can put it on. Our hook end with the hook facing downward. Insert it into the hole, coming out to the other hole. It's going to come out, and then we're going to put the washer first. The washer is slightly bent so that it kind of curves around the pole. Then you're going to go ahead and put the bolt on. And what I really like about this is there's no tools required, so you don't have to worry about forgetting tools to assemble it if you're taking it camping with you. And there we go. It is in. I forgot to insert this bolt down into the center of the crossbar. So you have one here, and then you have a hole right here. I'm going to go ahead and lift that up. can do it with one hand. And I'm going to go ahead and screw that right in before I put the hammock in. Or you can just lift it up like so and screw that in like this. And as you can see, even me forgetting to do this, it was still easy to be able to do it before I put on the hammock. Very easy to build. I've built so much furniture, and this is by far one of the easiest things because it doesn't require any tools and you can do it by yourself. There, done. Crisis averted. Right, so I'm going to take this C1/4 piece of rope right here. I'm going to go ahead, pull it down, pull it right onto the hook. There we go. All right. Let's see how the second hole works for us. So again, you want to get in right in the center. Okay, this is better. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it comes in the colors blue, yellow, dark blue, natural, red, yellow stripes, and tan stripes. The one that I have in my video is the blue, yellow color.
To save 15% off your purchase, be sure to use the code Wandalee at checkout.
For safety purposes, do not put pets inside by themselves because when they try to get out, they could flip, being that they don't know that they need to get out of the center. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. That's all for today. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time, ciao.